You know, Asio mags, monoshock with canister, damper and lining package, tsaka RCB crankcase. Option 1 na Camelback version 6. F2 headlight, all yellow. Yan, rotor modified set, Asio mags at saka inverted shock na gold CNC, and mini signal light sa likod, and valve clearance. Ubos ang 30 mil ni bossing. Sunod nito ay swing arm, shifter, at saka yung ECU at saka pipe.